only the best. Howdy, my name is Jarrett Allen, and I have the honor of being a member of the Squadron 3 Thunderbirds. When people think of Texas A&M, they think of football, traditions, and the Corps of Cadets. But at its core, A&M is built on the principles that have shaped leaders since 1876. Squadron 3 embodies these values, carrying forward a legacy of excellence. We are a unit built on pride, integrity, intensity, honor, unity, and perseverance, principles that define who we are. Pride in our past, our present, and the future we are shaping every day. Integrity in always doing what is right no matter the cost. Intensity in our relentless pursuit of excellence. Honor in our commitment to serve something greater than ourselves. Unity in standing together as a family, pushing each other to be better. Perseverance in overcoming every challenge, not because it's easy, because it makes us stronger. Squadron 3 commissions one of the highest rates of pilots in the Corps of Cadets, preparing leaders to take the skies in service of our nation. But leadership isn't limited to one path. Our strength lies in the diversity of our involvement. From the Ross Volunteers, Parsons Mounted Cavalry, Fish Drill Team, Aggie Muster Committee, Traditions Council, Student Engineering Council, and so much more, our members leave their mark across campus. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all path. We help you become who you want to be. No matter your ambitions, you will find the support, mentorship, and opportunities to push yourself beyond what you thought possible. Through these values, Squadron 3 has produced astronauts, pilots, doctors, engineers, and leaders who shape the world every single day. We are more than cadets. We are leaders, we are the future, we are family, we are Squadron 3, and we are only the best.